Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Brian Kelly reporting to you from my office here in Garner, North Carolina. I wanted to do a real quick video for today, September 21st, for the YM, which is the Dow or Dow Jones Industrial Average. As you can see, it's a 5-minute chart. And let me tell you, I have a system that will allow you to trade one time per day. Okay, one time per day. And that's in reality, that's all you really need is that just that one time. You are going to Monday through Friday. You are going to get I call it a trade setup, and once this trade setup is triggered, is a almost a I'm gonna say 100%, but it's a 90+% effective rate. In other words, over 90% of the time, it's going to hit its profit goal. Now, the profit goal I have set is 8 to 10 points. Now, making 8 to 10 points, trading the E-mini Dow, just trading one contract, it's going to give you a gross profit of between $40 to $50. Now, I know again that doesn't sound like a lot of money. It's not, but what you want to do in trading is you want to build up your account. You don't want to just make money and withdraw and spend it. You want to build your account up. So as you build your account up, your confidence increases as well. So instead of trading one contract, you're trading three contracts. Then you make more money, you save more money, you trade five contracts, then six contracts, and seven contracts. So for the for the sake of this shortness of the video, if you were to use, say, five contracts and make 8 to 10 points, and that's like, let me see here. I think it's it's like $200, $250, something like that. Yeah, that you would make for those 8 to 10 points on the Dow. All right. If you were to trade 10 contracts, which should be your ultimate goal, you're only trading one time. Okay, one time during the day. 8 to 10 points would give you a gross profit of how much? Gosh, my mind has gone blank on me. Like $400 to $500. Now today, I will tell you that the market was going crazy, 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 pretty much the entire day. So I'll tell you that once the trigger was triggered at a certain time, within, I would say, less than a minute, the profit target was hit, and it went straight through the profit target to much higher level. So again, I only use 8 to 10 points as a very conservative number, but the majority of the time, your profit target exceeds that 8 to 10 points like it's nothing. I mean, it really is just incredible. And so, is it easy to learn? Yes, it's very easy to learn. I take you by the hand and show you exactly what it is. It's nothing complicated at all, but you just have to know when to look and what to look for. That's the key, what to look for. And if you can do that, then you can definitely make some serious money. And as I said before, I conducted a test to make sure that this is not some fluke, that it actually works like I say it does. And I traded for 45 days straight, and out of those 45 days, there was only one loss and 44 wins of between 8 to 10 points. Okay, guys, that's pretty incredible. That's pretty incredible. And so once I saw that, I said, we have a winner here. And I broke it down and I put it into a course that I actually can make available to you. What you want to do is you want to go over here to this URL, secrettradingsystem.com. Go there, watch that video, and it'll explain to you a little bit more about this. And then once you watch that video, all you have to do is simply follow the instructions on the screen, exactly as it says on the screen. And then I can get this program and this course to you as quickly as possible. This thing is real. It's not complicated. It's very easy to follow. Even if you don't want to trade your own money, you can. I have a company that will allow you to use their money and pay you 80% of whatever you make. So it's a win-win situation all around. And lastly, I'm so confident that my course works that I offer a money-back guarantee. So in other words, you pay for the course. If you don't make that money back that you paid for the course, okay, then I will pay you the money you invested in my course back. No questions asked, no ifs, ands, buts about it. Simple as that, you know. So, I'm gosh, I'm tired. I just got back from my son had his 24th birthday today, so we were out celebrating, and I just wanted to. I was going to do the video before I left, but I didn't do it, so I wanted to do it before I went to bed. But I'm a little bit tired. You can probably tell I'm kind of dragging. But but the bottom line is this program works. It works very, very nicely. You should expect to get a profit every single day of between 8 to 10 points trading the E-mini Dow. But you need to get this information, learn learn about it, and then execute. It's so simple as this. There's nothing more simple than that. Okay, you don't have anything to lose because like I said, when you get the course, I gave you my personal cell phone number that you can call me. Call me if you have questions. Call me if you don't understand what this is all about. I'll take you by the hand. I'll walk you and show you exactly, what you need to do to make this thing work. But it's not, guys. I'm telling you, it's not hard at all. It's like zero, zero learning curve. Then to have a money back guarantee. So in all reality, you don't have anything to lose. The only way you lose is if you don't at least look at the video located here, secrettradingsystem.com. All right, go check it out, and I'll talk to you guys later. Hope you have a nice evening. Bye for now.